No, not with your hands, love. Not with your hands.
This sail was all about learning as much as possible and soaking up all the knowledge from Cody's dad Ray and my dad Ben. We were able to sail out into Tampa Bay where we dropped anchor while Ray cleaned the bottom of the boat. We hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.
She woke up one day with the rising of the sun, surrounded by fields of grain. Hopped on a plane, never to return, destination hide the pain. Landed in the middle of a big blue sea, and before she had time to unpack, she listened to the sound of the waves on the shore, and knew that she was never going back. Stay the course, you can't turn back, you might get scared. You're only thinking about ways you can lose the path. It's all harmful distractions. Stay the course in the changing sea. Tides turning, waves are churning. Thinking about trying to take another from me. Trying to take another from me. Never raised his hand in class. At night he stared at the stars on the ceiling, wondering if his loneliness would last. Another chord is strummed, another note he hums, another original melody. But as soon as he stepped on the stage and saw them smiling back, he knew what he was meant to be. Stay the course, you can't turn back, you might get scared.
We were able to quickly catch the wind on our way back in, where we were welcomed by a few dolphins.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. I'm on vacation every single day, 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 every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. You say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. But that ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation.
With our trip quickly coming to an end, we decided to take the kids to the big cat habitat in Sarasota. We fed the emus and the goats, and the kids got to touch a baby alligator. It was pretty amazing seeing these animals up so close. We also made a stop at Emerson Point before packing up and heading back to Tennessee. One more trip in the books and we were that much closer to our move date.